Hello, Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. After completing the preparatory series of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad for grade 5, 6, and 7, we are going to start the preparatory series for Silver Zone Science Olympiad for grade 5th, 6th, 7, and 8. Here, we solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. Each question of every exercise will be well explained. Each chapter contains 40 questions, which is divided into two part videos of 20 and 20 questions for all four grades. Every week, we release one video of each class, that is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday for grade 8, 7, 6, and 5 respectively. To get the videos at your earliest, subscribe our channel and hit the bell button so that you can be ready for your Olympiad exam on time. And do share the video with your friends so that all the Olympiad aspirants can be benefited. And my one request is that please mention your feedback in the comment section. Actually, it means a lot for me and motivates me to make such videos. Thank you. Now let's start. Grade 6 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book Science. Chapter 2 Fiber to Fabric Video Part 2. Question number 21. Making a sweater from a woolen yarn is an example of knitting. When we just make thread like this and we make the fabric like this pattern is the knitting pattern. Okay. So 21 answer will be option B. Question number 22. Which of the following was not used by ancient people to cover their bodies? Big leaves of trees, the ancient people use it. Animal skins, they use it. Nylon cloth is the synthetic fiber which is invented later. Okay, first is also used to cover their bodies. So that's why answer should be C. 22nd answer will be option C. Question number 23. Dash is removing the wool from sheep using special clippers. Soaking, shearing, ginning, and weaving. The wool from the sheep, that is known as shearing. The 23rd answer will be option B. Question number 24. Jute fiber is obtained from which part of the jute plant? So you can see this is the jute plant and this is the jute fiber, this is jute yarn and this is the jute fabric. We can see the jute fiber can be obtained from the stem of the plant. The 24th answer will be option C. Question number 25. Larva of silkworm is called as the caterpillar. Okay, nymph is the young one of cockroach. Okay, tadpole is the young one of frog. Okay, answer will be option D. The 25th answer is option D. Question number 26. Yarn are produced from network of the plastic wires, fiber spun together. Means when we just make the fiber, so this is known as the yarn. So 26th answer will be option D. 26th answer B. Question number 27. Which of the following sequence is correct? First spinning, then weaving, then ginning. No, ginning is the process during making fiber only. Weaving, then ginning. No, wrong. Ginning, then spinning, then weaving, or ginning, then weaving, then spinning. No, ginning, first remove the seeds, then we can make it as the fiber and spin it, make a yarn, then we can weave. Answer should be C. 27 answer is the option C. You can just see here also cotton and then ginning, removal of the seed, then it is spinning, then it is the yarn and then weaving and then fabric. Okay. Question number 28. The fiber containing pod of cotton is called cotton stem. It is known as the cotton ball. This is your cotton ball, not the cotton wand or cotton flower. So 28 answer will be option B. Okay. Question number 29. Silk cotton is a plant fiber, animal fiber, synthetic fiber, both A and B, none of these. So this is the plant fiber. Silk cotton can be obtained from the kapok trees. तो 29 answer will be option A. Question number 30. The fabric which are made from fibers obtained from cotton, silk and jute are known as. So these are cotton, silk and jute. These are the natural fiber. Nylon is the synthetic fiber. Artificial fiber is the synthetic fiber or the man-made fiber. These are the natural fiber. Acrylic fiber is the mineral fiber. Okay. So 30 answer will be option C. Question number 31. Single yarn is used in the process of weaving, looming, ginning or knitting. In the knitting, we use single yarn. Okay, so 31 answer will be option D. Question number 32. Raghu wants to gift his friend something that is made up of animal fiber. Which gift will he give? Cotton cloth means cotton fiber, that is your plant fiber. Silk kurta obtained from silkworm, that is your animal fiber. Woolen sweater is your obtained from sheep, so that is your animal fiber. Okay, option D will be the correct answer. 32 answer is the option D. Okay. Question number 33. Weaving is the process of. Weaving is the process of preparing yarn. No. Preparing fabrics. Yes. Preparing fiber. No. Option should be B. 33rd answer is option B. Question number 34. Which of the following is not an artificial fiber? Rayon is a synthetic or artificial fiber. Nylon is the artificial fiber. Acrylic is the mineral fiber or the natural fiber. Polyester is the, again, synthetic fiber. So 34 answer will be option D. Okay. Question number 35. Which device is used for making fabrics by weaving thread? So spinning wheel, no, we make yarn from the spinning wheel. Looms we use for the weaving. Needles we use for the cruising, and hand spindle we use for the making yarn. Okay, so 35 answer should be option B. Okay, question number 36. Few characteristics of fiber are given below. Soft in touch, it is a natural fiber, it is lustrous and has vibrant colors. So what will be it? So lustrous and has the vibrant color, it means it should be silk. So 36 answer will be option C, because silk is shiny in color. Okay. Question number 37. Dash is used to make yarn from fiber. So loom, spinning wheel, knitting or the ginning. The spinning wheel is used. This is the spinning wheel known as charkha also. This is used for the making yarn. So 37 answer will be option B. Question number 38. Which of the following statement is correct? Cotton is an artificial fiber. Wrong. Jute fiber is obtained from the roots of the jute plant. No. Stem of the jute plant. Process of producing yarn from fiber is known as ginning. No. Removal of the seed from the cotton is known as ginning. Silkworm feeds on coconut tree leaves. No. They feed on mulberry leaves. So option E will be the correct answer. 38 answer is option E. Question number 39. Which fiber is also known as artificial silk? Cotton? No. Rayon can be known as the artificial silk. So yes, this is the rayon fiber and it is shiny like the silk only. So that's why rayon is known as the artificial silk. 39th answer will be option B. Question number 40. Which of the following, which process has been shown in the figure given below? Actually, this lady is using only one thread and one thread is using in the knitting process. This process is the knitting process. So 48th answer will be option A. Okay. Thank you for watching this video completely. I want to share one more information with you, which can boost your Olympiad preparation. Actually, we are going to launch Olympiad courses on our app F2S Olympiads classes. You can download it from the Play Store. These courses are available for the subject Maths and Science for grade 2 to 8. In this course, you will find all the Olympiad related study materials, chapter wise question paper, and test series for the complete syllabus. Using this app, you can check the level of your Olympiad preparation as well as you can gear up your study. Go and download this app and check the courses. It is available at very nominal cost. And if you have any doubt related to the worksheet explained or about the app, you can write your doubt in the comment section. I will definitely answer it. Thank you.